Hi everyone, I'm Anagha and this is the demo for project 2. So let's get started. So here is the doll set, play set. That's the astronaut marker which holds the entire play set. So if I move around, that moves as well. This is the drone marker which aims to mimic the tabletop. So I've placed it here, and that's the avatar of me dancing. It does not look quite like me, but there's only so much you can do in Mixamo. Not Mixamo, MakeHuman. So that's me dancing in front of TV, I guess, watching something, listening to something, and just enjoying herself. That's my living room, and it's just a normal happy day. So you can hear a nice ambience which just represents a nice normal happy day. And that's my living room. So let me just show you around. So there are 2 3 lightings on top, and that's why you see those shadows, but those are shadows because of the lighting. And let's go around. So there's a TV, there's a TV stand, there's something playing in the TV which is animated, there's a flag on top of it which is animated. There are 2 cute little plants on the sides on their own stands. There's a coffee table. On the coffee table there's a mug which has coffee, and there are books on the table as well. And if you properly see, there is like the vapor coming out of the coffee because it's so hot, for which I use a particle system. If I zoom in too much I will lose the target, so I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, so that's the water vapor coming out of the coffee. On the side table there's a gem that's rotating. There's a painting which also has an animated animation on it, so I guess Harry Potter times you have animated paintings now. There's a couch, and yeah, there are floors and walls to mimic the real living room. So so that's the house now. If I click using the mouse, if I click the main button using the mouse, the balls drop, and as you can see, they fall over the table. So that white table mimics the table and they fall over it. They uh, they fall on the coffee table. And then you have the button to make the avatar of me talk. So if I push the button, so that was just me. I was dancing, and on the button press, she stops and she introduces you to the house. So the dancing animation changes to the talking animation, and after she's done talking, she goes back to dancing. So that's it here. Then after this, we also have the oxygen marker, which has one more avatar of me, but she's doing squats now because she's done dancing and she wants to do some exercise. So here she is squatting with different clothes and different animations. All these markers I can move around and they will move accordingly. I have the playset slightly on the right side of the astronaut marker so that I can make space for the button. And finally, as we can see, all the models, all the game objects can coexist at the same time. All the 3 markers and all the 3 trackers can be tracked at the same time. I came out of my house to record the playset because there wasn't enough space in my house to do so. So if I place the playset now, it aligns perfectly with the ground. The lighting is well. I can see the shadow of my avatar. It looks fine as it can be seen its life size when compared to the size of the truck. The avatar of me is pretty life size. I can see the entire living room, the TV. I can go around the objects and it works well. And if I try to place again, it just replaces the original set and it doesn't duplicate it. So you just always have one playset.